All right, let's jump right into this explainer. We're going to uncover how giving machines the ability to essentially communicate is saving millions and totally revolutionizing the industrial world. I mean, we're looking at a massive shift here. We're moving away from blind guesswork and stepping into an era of incredible, data-driven foresight when it comes to the infrastructure of our modern lives.
To map all this out, here's our agenda today. We'll hit 1. The maintenance dilemma. 2. The predictive solution. 3. Giving machines 5 senses. 4. The machine learning brain. And finally, 5. Connecting the industrial world. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. The maintenance dilemma and the cost of industrial failure.
So for practically all of industrial history, keeping the gears turning meant relying on fixed schedules, right? Regardless of whether a machine actually needed a tune-up or not. It's a classic catch-22 that perfectly illustrates the legacy dilemma we've been stuck with for decades. On one hand, you have reactive maintenance. That's just a fancy way of saying you wait until something breaks to fix it. The downside? Huge unplanned downtime and sky-high repair costs because, well, you're always caught off guard. On the flip side, there's preventative maintenance. This is the so-called safe route, servicing your gear on a rigid schedule no matter its actual condition. But let's be real, you end up throwing away parts that still have plenty of useful life left in them just to be safe. So you either wait for a catastrophic disaster or you bleed money playing it overly safe.
And why does this matter so much? Well, the stakes for getting this wrong are just astronomical. A single hour of unplanned downtime in something like a petrochemical facility, that could cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost production. Literally, hundreds of thousands for 1 hour. When a critical machine just stops out of nowhere, it doesn't just pause one specific process, it bottlenecks an entire multi-million-dollar supply chain. The financial bleeding is severe and it is immediate.
Section 2. The predictive solution. Stopping failures before they start.
Here is where the real game changer comes in. Predictive maintenance actually solves both of those legacy problems we just talked about. By monitoring a machine's real-time condition and crunching that sensor data with AI, we can anticipate equipment failures before they even happen. Think about that for a second. We are essentially giving machines a crystal ball to ensure zero unplanned downtime, while also guaranteeing we never throw away a perfectly good part. It spikes efficiency and skyrockets safety across the board. But you might be wondering, how do machines actually tell us they're getting sick?
That brings us to Section 3, giving machines 5 senses, the hardware of maintenance.
It is honestly fascinating how these tiny little devices, these smart sensors, act exactly like human senses. You've got accelerometers measuring vibration, so the machine can literally feel mechanical wear and tear. Thermal cameras act like eyes, spotting abnormal heat. That's the machine seeing a fever caused by friction or an electrical fault. Acoustic sensors are basically the machine's ears, picking up inaudible ultrasonic sounds to catch things like hidden air leaks. And finally, oil analysis sensors monitor the lubricant. It's essentially a real-time blood test looking for microscopic metal shavings that mean the internal gears are grinding.
To really put that level of sensitivity into perspective, let's just look at accelerometers for a moment. A bearing that is just starting to wear out produces a highly specific vibration signature. And the crazy thing is, these smart sensors can detect that subtle little hum weeks or even months before it would ever cause a visible breakdown. You get this massive head start to order parts and schedule repairs exactly when it actually suits the business.
Okay, Section 4. The machine learning brain, making sense of the data. Now, obviously, all of this continuous sensory data streaming in is completely useless without a brain to process it, right? So here's how the software side works. First, it constantly feeds on that data from the smart sensors, but it needs context. It needs to know what to look for. So these machine learning models are trained on actual failure data from thousands of other machines. It's constantly learning, so the prediction accuracy just gets sharper and sharper over time. And this is my favorite part. It takes a real village to build this brain. You have mechanical engineers, the folks who know exactly how and why machines physically break apart, working right alongside data scientists who build the complex algorithms to spot those patterns. Moving on to Section 5, connecting the industrial world, the IIoT in action. The journey of all this data is incredibly streamlined. Step 1 starts with our smart sensors measuring everything in real time. But sending massive amounts of raw data back to a faraway server takes time. So Step 2 is edge computing. This means analyzing the data locally, right there next to the machine, which drastically cuts down the delay if there's an immediate critical emergency. Then, Step 3 pushes everything up to cloud computing. That's where the system aggregates data across massive industrial sites to spot broader, sweeping trends that one single machine's data could never show us on its own. And listen, this isn't just theory. This is happening right now, with massive real-world impact. At this very second, commercial aircraft engines are continuously streaming sensor data down to ground-based analysis teams while they are literally mid-flight. They use that to schedule precise servicing the moment the plane lands. Out in the wild, wind turbines are aggressively monitoring blade stress and gearbox condition to avoid impossibly difficult mid-air repairs. And petrochemical plants? They're using this every single day to maximize their uptime and dodge those $100,000 an hour losses we talked about earlier.
But here is the most important takeaway for the future. As the cost of these smart sensors continues to drop rapidly, predictive maintenance is no longer just a luxury for massive chemical plants or multi-million-dollar jet engines. It's trickling down. It is actively expanding to protect the smaller, everyday machinery that you and I rely on. The predictive revolution is quite literally coming to our own backyards.
So that leaves us with a pretty thrilling question to ponder. If we can now give one single isolated machine the ability to sense its environment, learn from its peers, and perfectly predict its own future, what on earth happens when we scale this technology up to connect an entire factory? Well, we'll be exploring exactly that in our next explainer, when we zoom out to uncover the rise of Industry 4.0 and the magic of smart factories. I absolutely cannot wait to guide you through it.